So this is part 2 of how to fix a Note 8 that will not turn on with a wireless fast charger and a wired fast charger at the same time. So I've let it sit here charging in the safe mode screen, which I got into with just the power button and the volume down button at the same time. So let it sit and charge. Now it's not doing its vibrating, which was taking all the battery power and shutting it off. So I'll hit the power button. Yeah, that should do it. There we go. Rebooting. Now hopefully this should stop getting stuck in the boot cycle. Powered. Yeah, it's been days since I've been able to turn this phone on. It would just flash the logo and turn off, even when connected with a USB-C fast charger. So the only solution is a wireless charger in conjunction with a wired charger. So there we go. And it's charging. And I was trying this charger and it did not work. It is just a piece of crap. And also I found that this wireless charger, well, in all wireless chargers I guess, they'll lose connection with the phone if the charger isn't beefy enough. Like this charger was not doing the trick. We need the 2 amp charger. But still, this could not power this phone up. So this is the charger that saved my phone from Target. It's $50. And good luck.